And by 1 to 2 o'clock, I think that cap will be just weak enough to sustain some more activity. Right now, no watches and warnings here for the North Texas area, just north of the Red River. We can definitely see that tornado watch in effect there for Oklahoma, and the Storm Prediction Center has been in constant communication with the National Weather Service in Fort Worth, and we do believe here probably in the next hour or so we will see a watch issued, a 95% probability of a watch issued for North Texas. Flash flood watches are in effect for the main counties here of DFW, Dallas and Tarrant County, Denton, Collin County, and areas off to the northeast, where some locations can see anywhere from 1.5 inches to about 3 inches of rainfall here in the next few hours with the heavier precipitation. Let's go ahead and talk about the regional FUTURECAST. As we head towards the early to mid-afternoon hours, we're going to definitely see that cap kind of erode, and that's when we'll start seeing the heaviest of the activity begin to blossom over North Texas, mainly just along that I-35 corridor and north of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. These first initial storms will be the main concern for tornadic probability, as they will be kind of discrete supercells for that matter. But as the afternoon progresses and that pushes off to the east, that's when we'll start seeing the actual squall line of showers and thunderstorms roll through the Dallas-Fort Worth area late this afternoon into the evening hours. And this will be the threat for hail and damaging winds, talking about excess of 70 to even 80 miles an hour with some of the stronger storms. And on top of that, you have some saturated grounds already, heavy rainfall that will lead to a flash flooding potential, mainly for the Dallas-Fort Worth area and areas off to the east and northeast. As we continue this during the evening hours, that continue to push us off to the east here by 10 o'clock at night. Some moderate showers behind the second line of showers and thunderstorms here for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. This will be non-severe for the Metroplex. A severe threat shifts over into East Texas, where their tornadic probability is actually a little bit higher than ours. As we head into the overnight time frame, that rain comes to an end for North Texas. Still some showers possible for Van Zandt County, Rains County, all the way up towards Delta, Lamar, Hopkins County. But check it out. On the backside of this, we're going to have some wraparound moisture followed by much cooler temperatures, which could potentially lead to a rain-snow mix. However, I do believe we do have some dry conditions ongoing as we head towards the early morning hours, and the rain-snow mix for us will be very limited, mainly just north of the I-20, maybe even Highway 380 mark. That's where we're going to cut it off. Severe threat for today, though, enhanced for a good portion of the Metroplex, moderate for Dallas, Collin County, and Ellis County and areas points to the east. That's where your greatest threat for severe weather will be today. Tornadoes will be low, about a 10% probability. That's the high end on the low scale. Large hail will be the main concern, followed by damaging winds, also flash flooding and the clouds of ground lightning. So again, limit your outdoor activities later on this afternoon, early in the evening hours. Your 7-day forecast looks like this: 71. We dropped significantly, though. 44 for your high tomorrow. Back into the 50s and 60s by Sunday and Monday. And folks, if you want to stay ahead of the severe weather concerns this afternoon, be sure to download the WAP. You have live radar there and also notifications of all watches and warnings that will be issued later on today.